Alright, here is the 1973 Kmart P-23 that came with the Lasco bladed K223. This fan's not really as bad as I thought it was now that I actually looked it over. The grills are just really tore up and the paint kind of sucks. But it still runs perfect as expected from an old Lakewood. It's very, very dirty. Doesn't look like it's ever been cleaned before in its entire life. It's got the nice red K sticker. It needs to be glued back down. I put a knob on it because it didn't have one on it whatsoever when I got it. You can tell it was on a stand at one point. It's got the little plastic plugs in it still. And then this is where it gets amazing, that this fan still runs at all. There is not anywhere that motor can get air from. It is completely plugged off. So who knows how many years this fan's been running with absolutely no airflow to the motor. The inside of the bottom of the fan's not that rusty, but the outside is. But let's fire it up. Despite how neglected it is, it still runs pretty much perfect. Here's medium. And here's high. Eating leaves out of the bottom of the fan. The grills are pretty well trashed, and this thing is probably one of the dirtiest P-23s I've ever got. So it's going to be a nice little project, but I bet it'll still turn out pretty good. Bearings are still really good. And it's probably never been oiled once in its life. Actually, this one's probably got better bearings than the other one. Alright, that's it for now. I'll do another video of it whenever it's done. Thanks for watching.